Hello everyone and welcome to my video. So today I'm going to review the new DJI Neo 2. It looks pretty different from the Neo 1 or the first Neo that came a year ago. So I've been using this drone for mostly my cycling videos, and honestly I've never really used the controller. I only use it on my phone and just the drone alone. And I think it has been quite handy. And with all the updates that came after it came for the first time, increase in speed and it's just reliable. And even if it falls down, it just works. So I got the combo with the 3 batteries, and it has been working pretty well. And I love it quite a lot. But today we're going to review the DJI Neo 2. So I got mine today, and I mean, just from the pictures, it looks quite different, and I think they added quite a lot of things. So let's open and get straight into it. Let's see how it looks. Because install the DJI Fly app and so on. What is this thing on top? Oh, seems like there's quite a lot of things in there. Let's see what's included. And this is the drone. So just looking at them and comparing them, there's obviously a very big difference. This looks quite bigger as compared to the first one. Of course, they added more sensors and all that. And there's this receiver right here. And this I will talk about in my review, comparing them and how they work later on. But this is mostly for flying it with a controller, maybe increase in distance and all that. But yeah, you can see obviously the difference in color. This is darker. Honestly, it looks much cooler if you look at that. You can see they're quite different. Let me remove the lens cover and see how it looks. And I heard that the camera did not change, but of course there are some improvements to that as well. And we'll look at that later on. So this is it. You can see that heat singer there to dissipate heat. Quite big. I'm sure it is very capable. And there's some down facing cameras, some antennas and all that as well. And the LiDAR here as well. Pretty cool. Yeah, so let's see what else is in the box. So let's put the drone aside. And in the box, so I did get the fly combo as well. Let's see what's inside. Well, it's a whole maze in there. Good. So again, you will receive a controller, the same, and there's a booklet with, I think, a screw drive. And I think this is a really cool sticker, DJI sticker. You also get a cable that's connect to, this is Type-C to Lightning. And let's see what else is included. And yeah, the batteries. Here's the batteries, and there's a cable Type-C to Type-C. And you also get the extra, I think the extra propellers and all that. So, yep, let me go into the batteries. Of course, the darker color really looks super cool. Yeah, you can see that the battery case has changed as well as compared to before. I think this is a cooler design actually as compared to this one. But I'm not sure if it's bigger as well. Maybe that's more power to the batteries. Maybe we'll talk about that later on. So yeah, this is what's included in the, if you get this FLYMORE combo, oh no, this one. If you get this FLYMORE combo, FLYMORE combo or a bundle FLYMORE for the DJI Neo 2. So yeah, so this is what you get in the box. In a couple of days, I'll do a review, a side-to-side comparison of how they track, how it just works in general, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you have any questions, if you want to say anything, if something you want to know, because I know it was released only in China. I am in China, so it's easy to get. You just go to the nearest DJI store and you get one for yourself. So I will put some videos for the side to side of the two, and we'll see how that goes. I mean, it's considerably quite big. I'm not sure if it will fit in my cycling clothes. That's pretty big. This was also a very tight fit, but it just works. But anyway, with time, we'll see how that goes. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.